Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni professional espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, but as we were doing the tune-up we noticed a few things that were need to be replaced on the machine. First of all, we saw a crack on the group head sleeve that you see right here, and we also had to replace the entire sleeve. We replaced also the gasket, and once we were tying up the base, we noticed there was a tiny little crack on one of these little bolts. Once we tie it in, it just basically snapped, so we had to replace that. And we also replaced the standard gasket set, which is the piston gasket, the sideless gasket, the steamer one gasket as well, the knob, and the group head gasket. Basically all the gaskets you see right here. We did clean the piston, we polished inside the group head, and we something that we also noticed is that the group head sleeve, this one connects a little tube that connects to the group head, and that's basically what pulls the water from the boiler into the portafilter and then into your espresso. This was, as you can see, broken. It was not sealing properly, and it needed to be replaced. So those are the three extra things that we had to replace on this machine for those reasons. So now, starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this beautiful machine. Hopefully I pick up the right grind size of this machine and I pack it properly, because if I didn't, we're just gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. And as you see, I didn't really pack it properly. So we didn't got really good crema, and we got a little bit of fast drip coming out from the machine. But we still got a little bit of crema on it. Now we're gonna slowly depressurize it, because these machines do not depressurize once you do the shot. So it will naturally depressurize by itself. If I pull the portafilter right now, it will sneeze. So I gotta wait until it stops leaking. But we can taste the steamer, as you can see. It's a nice powerful steam. Excellent temperature. Really good pressure. Working excellent. Okay, now that the portafilter is depressurizing, move it slowly, and you can see where I have been packed it properly. I didn't use a lot of coffee that I should have used, and as you see, there's no leaks coming out from the group or anything. And we raise this lever, we get a nice gentle shower coming out from the group head. So there you have it, the Pavoni Professional working once again in ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.